Are you really good at what you do, whether you're a corporate professional or an entrepreneur? But when it comes to your travel wardrobe, ah, it feels overwhelming. It feels hard. It feels stressful. And you're always questioning, do I have the right pieces? You're questioning, I'm going to this business meeting and wondering if you look the part. Hi, I'm Annette Bond, certified image consultant, and I work with successful, smart women just like you, helping you to dress with ease, pack your suitcase with ease, know that you have the right pieces so that now you can forget about what you're wearing and go do what you do best. I want to welcome you to my 5-part series of travel wardrobe tips. This is part 3 of a 5-part series. And today we're going to talk about your color palette. So what do I mean by that? I know going to your closet, you may have all kinds of wonderful pieces you want to throw in your suitcase. And then all of a sudden you get to your destination and you're thinking, why? You're looking in your suitcase thinking, why did I bring all this? You didn't wear half the pieces that you brought. I know I've overpacked many times, but one of the tips I want to talk about today, if you get nothing else from this series, this is a game changer. Are you ready? I want you to only pack 2 to 3 colors, and that's it. Why? Because number 1, it simplifies your choices when you are putting your wardrobe together. It also gives you variety when you get to your destination. I don't know about you, but I'll be thinking, as I mentioned in part 1, I want you to plan your activities, but what if you get there and you change your mind thinking, I brought this to wear to that important business meeting, but I don't want to wear this, or we're going out afterwards and now what do I wear? What it does is, as I said, when you solidify the 2 to 3 colors that you're going to bring on your trip, it gives you massive variety and options, and I'm going to show you how. So when I said I want you to pick 2 to 3 colors, so I'm going to give you an example here. So I'm going on a trip, and my color scheme is going to be black, what I have on, my little black dress. It's going to be fuchsia, and then it's also going to bring a touch of white into it because we are in the summer months. So you know what? I want to lighten it up a little bit. So I want to give you just the example of what I have on right now. So I have on a little black dress, and you may be thinking, okay, Annette, this is my casual, and I'm probably not going to bring a little black dress. Guess what? You can bring a black shirt, black t-shirt, black shirts. You can put a pair of black jeans with it. You can put a black skirt, a black skirt, whatever that might be. So let's just hypothetically say I'm going to my business meeting and all I brought was this little black dress. So I have a look on right now that I love. Going to my business meeting. Let's say that we're going out afterwards and I just want to, just go a little bit more casual. I might put on my white denim jacket. I might change my shoes to a little bit more casual. And so I've already got 2 outfits right here. What I also love is I might decide we're going out for the night. So I'm going to take off this scarf and I am going to put on this wrap. Well, it's actually a poncho. And so I can wear this with my little black dress, but also bringing this on my trip, most likely I would bring a black shirt. I would bring a black pant, which we're going to be talking more about this in one of the further, I think it's going to be part 5. I'll be talking more about that. So I'm kind of getting ahead of myself. But what I'm showing you is I have just totally changed my outfit by putting on the pink wrap. What I can also do, pink poncho, excuse me. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I didn't know I was going to be a change artist on this video. I'm going to totally change it. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to take my other pink piece and I'm going to put on a scarf. And I look totally, it's a totally different look than what I had. And then I can also change up my earrings, and my pink earrings go with my scarf. And you can see here, voila, it's a totally different look. So as you can see, I chose 3 colors. I chose the fuchsia pink, I chose black, and I chose white. And it just makes everything so simple. I had an experience a couple years ago that I took a trip to Italy, and I did what I teach. As we always say, you know what? I can't show up all over the board. And so I'm going to actually show you what I did. My number 1 piece that I worked around was this red, black, and white. And everything in my wardrobe went around this scarf. And so it's a really fun thought to think, wow, I can bring 10 pieces, I can bring 5 pieces, and everything is going to work together. So as I gave that example about maybe I didn't feel like wearing the poncho, but I feel like wearing the scarf, I have options. I have variety. And as you saw, I have my black and white scarf. And if I want to add a jacket, I can certainly do that too, whether it is the casual jean jacket or it's more of a blazer jacket. So whether you are going for casual, whether you are going for business, it is the same concept with choosing 2 to 3 colors only. So if you would like to take a deeper dive into strategy, confidence with your wardrobe, I want to invite you to my upcoming Style, Strategy, and Confidence Masterclass. And it's going to be on Wednesday, August 25th at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I want to invite you to AnnetteBond.com/masterclass to register, because I can't wait to meet you. And I can't wait to see you in part 4 of the 5-part series of travel wardrobe tips. Whoa.